We observed that for innovation to thrive, a change in mindset and culture is a prerequisite. In the case of Malaysia, we have been informed that aggressive awareness programs were put in place to make the people appreciate and be aware of the differences that technology involvement can actually bring about. Moreover, we learned that patience does really pay. Malaysia took 10 years focusing on capacity building. Now it's reaping the fruits of its toil. We also observed that there is a pivotal role to be played by venture capitals in support of an initiative ready for market. This is in concern with the supporting of the SMEs. We have to make them graduate from the SME level all the way to the millionaire level. In this note, or at this note, it is vital to note that the TPM as an SME support structure has to its name some millionaires. This is due to a support framework starting from ideation all the way to market, meaning that the institution is behind the entrepreneur from the point of an idea all the way to the point where the idea now penetrates the market as a product, a finished product. In this manner, access to finance, access to market, quality and standard of the product are put and maintained at the market level. We will recall that, ladies and gentlemen, in our African countries, access to finance and access to markets are some of the key challenges that are still facing our countries, glaringly. In addition, we also observed that intellectual property laws are well enforced in order to protect indigenous knowledge in Malaysia. This is one of the takeaways that our African states can take home. Intellectual property laws are there in some of our countries, but their enforcement is somehow shaky. So we have to intensify the enforcement of intellectual property laws. We also noted with delight the role ICT can play in employment creation. It has a huge potential in employment creation, and that also talks to the poverty eradication, which is one of the agenda items which were touched on in this dialogue yesterday. ICT also has a big role to play in biodiversity and food security. Our African states can take home that issue. In addition, we also noted that research and development has to be supported financially.